Living paycheck to paycheck sucks. There's nothing worse than having to run calculations in the back of your mind to work out if you can afford to buy something, often having to sacrifice one thing for another. Worrying about money all of the time can be debilitating. We dream of the day where we'll be financially free to enjoy life on our terms. But how can we make this happen? Well, in this video, we'll discuss the 6 key steps you need to take to achieve financial freedom. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. First off, what is financial freedom? Many of us use the terms financial freedom and financial independence interchangeably, like they are somehow the same thing. They are both important, but they aren't the same. So it's important to know the difference. Independence is being able to manage your life and support yourself financially. You make enough money to pay for your bills on time, save money, and plan for your future. But this doesn't mean that you are free from the process of making money. Financial freedom is a longer-term plan to build the life of your dreams and take back control of your time so you can do what you want, when you want, and where you want. It's being free from the process and need to make more money. The first step is to determine your target number. What's the amount of money you need in order to feel comfortable and financially secure? This number will be different for everyone, but once you know yours, you can start working towards it. To determine your number, ask yourself how much money you would need to live comfortably for the rest of your life, and when that life will actually begin. Are you planning for early retirement, or just looking to work less and start as soon as possible? Consider things like your mortgage, food, and other expenses, or holidays and other dreams you have. This number is different for everyone because financial freedom means something different to everyone. Be realistic on yourself here. This is not about some crazy lifestyle. It's about finding the true number of what you actually need to live each month on your terms. Normally, this number is lower than most of us actually realize. Number 2, change your mindset when it comes to money. Most people never achieve financial freedom because they have the wrong mindset when it comes to money. They believe that money is the root of all evil and that having more money will only make them greedy and unhappy, or that they aren't smart or talented enough to make it in the first place. This could not be further from the truth. Money is not evil and anyone has the ability to become rich. Sure, some people have an advantage, but everyone can improve their life. As the saying goes, anyone who thinks money doesn't bring happiness hasn't ridden a jet ski. The simple fact is not having enough money will definitely make you unhappy. So if you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to address any limiting beliefs you have around money first. Number 3, get a grip over your finances. Too often, we let our money dictate our lives instead of taking control of our finances and making them work for us. If you feel like your money is in charge, it's time to take back control. You can't improve your finances if you don't know exactly what is coming in and going out. Gather all your financial statements and create a system for tracking your income and expenses. This will help you get a clear picture of where your money is going and what areas you can cut back on. Next, create a budget. This will be your roadmap to your financial freedom number. Make sure to include savings in your budget so that you can start building up your emergency fund and start working towards your long-term financial goals. Plan in 5-year and 10-year windows and review annually. Number 4, create your money machine. Your money machine is an extension of your budget. It's your system to multiply your money over time. You need 3 buckets or bank accounts for the following: expenses, investments, and dreams or fun stuff. Expenses is for all of your monthly costs of living. This includes your rent, shopping, fixed bills, and literally everything that you need to live. Investments is what you will risk to multiply your money and generate wealth. You want to leverage compound interest to make your money work for you. This could be stocks, Bitcoin, online business, or property. The higher the rate of return, the higher the risk. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Your dream bucket is for pleasure, be it holidays, going out, or buying a Rolex. The size of your buckets will vary depending on your income, but you want to be putting as much as possible into the investment bucket. Number 5, be willing to sacrifice. The reason most people never achieve financial freedom is that they don't want to give up on their comforts and treats. They live with the "I deserve it as I worked hard" mentality. Perhaps you like to buy the latest gadgets or take expensive holidays each year. You get trapped by the money and comfort. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, then you need to make some sacrifices. That means giving up on your daily Starbucks habit and cooking at home more. It might mean downsizing your apartment or even selling your car. And it definitely means saying no to impulse purchases. Making these changes can be difficult, but they'll be worth it in the long run. By cutting back on your spending and making wise investments, you can gradually build up your savings and reach your financial goals. So if you're ready to make some sacrifices, you're well on the way to financial freedom. Number 6. Invest in yourself. There's no magic formula or get-rich-quick scheme that will instantly make you rich. Learning about personal finance, investments, and saving money is essential if you want to build wealth over the long term. And it's not as difficult as you might think. Start by reading books, doing online courses, listening to podcasts, and watching YouTube videos. Once you have a basic understanding of financial concepts, start trying things. And remember, if it worked for someone else, then it can work for you too. Don't give up on something after 1 month saying that it doesn't work. The more you know about personal finance and making money, the better equipped you will be to make smart decisions to reach your financial goals. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more weekly money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.